How to use a coupon code on Temu. Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply a coupon code on Temu so you can save some extra cash on your next order. Tick with me till the end to make sure you don't miss any of the steps. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your Temu app. From the home screen, tap on the little U icon right in the center at the bottom. This will take you to your account area where you can view and manage your coupons. Here, tap on Coupons and Offers. You'll now see all your available coupons. Some might be expired, but just look for the one that's still valid. You'll find them under Unused section. Since I am out of coupons at this moment, therefore I am not able to use them. So let's say your code is something like AKJ29V. Simply go ahead and copy or remember that. Once you've got the code, tap on the search bar at the top. Now paste or type in that coupon code and hit Apply. Once applied, you'll see the discount automatically at checkout when you're buying something that qualifies. And that's all there is to it. Don't let those coupons sit unused. Make sure to add them and take full advantage of the savings. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. And of course, subscribe for more helpful step-by-step videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.